Hello guys, welcome to my channel Nightcast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to download Google Slide. Okay, so first, if you have Google Slide in your Google Drive, so select the Slide Google Slide files, or you can search from here. Okay, so you will see all your slides, and now you can download. Just right click on it, and you can download from here. If you click on download, so it will be download as a PowerPoint. Okay, PPT. So you need the PowerPoint presentation software in your device. So you can open it in Chrome also or Google Drive if you don't have software. Okay, so if you have already opened with Google Slide, then you can also download from here. Go to the file, go to the download, and here you will see the lot of option or format that you can download your slides. So first you can download as a PowerPoint PPTX. Okay, second, this is ODP documents, this is PDF documents. The plain text, it will be text like notepad. This is JPG, this is PNG, and scalable vector graphic. So this is another format. Okay, so you need to download as a PDF or PPT. Okay, so you need the PDF software in your device to view this file, and you need the PowerPoint, or you need the PowerPoint software in your device to use this file. If you don't have software, you can open it in Google Drive directly. Just upload your file in Google Drive, and you can open here and you can edit and download, or you can also share this file to others. Okay, so guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.